This is how to quickly get rid of unused and duplicate footage from your project in Premiere Pro. All right, so let's start by getting rid of duplicates. And as you can see here, I have two of these 357 and two of these 468 clips right here. And obviously within a project, we only need one of them. We don't need two. And instead of going through one at a time and trying to find them manually, all you have to do is go up to Edit and then down to Consolidate Duplicates. And as you can see, it got rid of one of the 357s and one of the 468s, leaving us with only one of each. If I go back, you can see it got rid of this one and this one. But we can also get rid of unused footage as well. So if we look at my sequence here, I've only used these 4 clips in my edit. And you can see I left them labeled as blue right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, to match up with these 4 clips. But for tutorial purposes, I labeled the 3 clips that I didn't use in orange so you could see them right here. And to get rid of them, it's the exact same steps. You go up to Edit, and then down to right here, Remove Unused, and you'll see, boom, all the orange ones are gone.